Okay, this is number 5. On lesson 3.8, we're supposed to find the derivative. So, first of all, there's an s in the problem. I'm going to change that to x just because all our formulas use x. I'm going to change that to 2x plus 1. But if you wanted to leave it as s or change it back to an s at the end of the problem to get it to match the back of the book, that would probably be good. Now, we have to think, okay, I want to do the derivative of y, that's dy over dx. The derivative inverse secant, so you look on your formula sheet, and that is formula C. It says the derivative inverse secant of u, so my u is 2x plus 1 in this case. My derivative of u with respect to x would just be 2. Here's the formula, 1 over absolute value of u, which in this case is 2x plus 1, times the square root of u squared, so that would be 2x plus 1 squared, minus 1 times du over dx, which is 2. So if you plug things in, just plug them in the formula, that's what you'd come up with. But that's not going to match what's in the back of the book because you need to do some simplifying. So what I want to do is work on simplifying this. I'm going to kind of do this off to the side over here. So I'm going to work on simplifying this. I'm going to take 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. And then I'm going to minus 1 from that. So I'm going to FOIL that out. That's going to give me 4x squared plus 2x plus another 2x would be plus 4x plus 1 minus 1. Any questions about that? That's just using FOIL. The 1 minus 1 will cancel. What could I factor out of both of these?
4x.
4. Yeah, actually you could factor out a 4x, but only factor out the 4. I'll show you why in a minute. So I'm going to factor out a 4 out of that, which would leave me x squared plus x. Now, square roots. What can you do with them? What can't you do with them? Because some people try to split, like if there's an addition or subtraction, some people try to split that up on the test into 2 square roots. When there's addition or subtraction, you cannot split that up into 2 square roots. But when there's multiplication, like there is right there, you can split that up into 2 square roots. So I can split that up into the square root of 4 times the square root of x squared plus x. So that's how I'm going to rewrite this. I'm going to rewrite this as the square root of 4 times the square root of x squared plus x. And out here I've got to multiply by 2. So why does that square root of 4 not show up in the answer in the back? Yeah, it's 2. It's 2, so it cancels out with this 2. So you're dividing by square root of 4 here, you're multiplying by square root of 4, so cancel that out. What you have left is your answer. Any questions about that? That's number 5. Number 7 will have a similar type of thing that you have to do when you simplify. So go ahead and try number 7 next.